Welcome to a brand new video. So today I just want to recap this trade I took yesterday when we had the presidential elections, and it was actually a loss. So I mean, you could say what it is, but to be fair, in my plan it was a high probability trade, so I just have to stick to it and take it. But definitely from going forward, it is something to note that maybe it's not the highest probability condition. So anyway, EG, I'm bullish, right? After this last spike we had on the 30th of October, coming into the end of October, start of November, we had this huge spike up. So for me, I'm bullish, reacting to these areas of like key areas basically. So this is like key areas of value basically. So anyway, we're bullish on that, which means I'm looking to long Euro USD and I'm looking to short cable. So knowing that, yesterday when we came on to the charts was right here. We had this supply zone marked out right there, this massive supply zone, and it was a very strong supply zone. Why? Well, because this supply zone caused a break of structure there, it caused breaks of this structure, and it caused breaks of this structure. So this is just how I view it, and this is how I see if it's a strong POI or not. So knowing that it's a strong POI, plus it caused imbalances as well, plus there was a lot of liquidity resting right there, as we put there. Okay, so there was a lot of liquidity there as well. Knowing that, when we had our power of three formation, I pretty much just got in when we tapped into the POI. So yeah, if we look between 7 to 10 a.m. UK time, which is when the power of three usually occurs, we had this first initial break right there. You could have taken this setup right here on an EQ entry, but 5 pip minimum. This is why I say 5 pip minimum, because 4 pips you would have been stopped out. 5 pip minimum, you could have potentially still been in the trade. And then pretty much we went down for a bit, about 1.28% profit, and then we just reversed. Okay, so when we were around this 1.28%, I was just like, I don't want to see it go all the way back up and take me out for a full 1% loss. So I pretty much just reduced my stops to around here. So from around 5 pips, I reduced like 3 pips. So it wasn't a full it wasn't a full 1% loss. So I basically just reduced my risk in that sense, because I wanted to see price just continue going down with this bearish momentum. So, but we didn't see that. We actually reacted out of this 5-minute fair value gap right here, perfect reaction, and then we went up to the upside. Okay, this is just what happens sometimes. I definitely journaled it and I'm going to improve for the next time, but this is essentially the trade recap. Very simple, very mechanical. GU short position, and yeah, we move from there. We see what else the month has to offer us, and we just go from there. I'm not going to force anything onto the market. If it wants to give me trades, I'll take it. If it's to my plan, I'll take it, and we move from there, and we will see how the month of November goes. So that's it for today. Happy trading, stay safe.